It's a good world. Good world gone bad.
Yeah. This is what happens when you don't have a diode or a CO2 and all you got's a fiber and you want to cut 1/4 inch plywood.